Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos plus so much more over on my blog chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. Today's video is episode 1 of my self-care Saturday series. I wanted to create a series where I could talk to you guys openly about my journey of dealing with anxiety and depression and really dive deeper into what happened to me last July. I've talked about it on my Instagram and my blog, but I know that it was going to come a point where I wanted to share it on camera, and I feel like this face-to-face interaction, aside from you guys just seeing my hands and planner videos, is really going to knit this family, this Chaotic Critic family, closer together, but also be a testimony for other people that are going through this and see that you too can make it through, and that this is an ongoing battle, it's an ongoing journey, and it's all about taking time for yourself, 1, and 2, knowing that mental health is not going to defeat you. And there's so many other things that I just want to talk about in this series, but episode 1 is going to be all about my 2019 vision board, and I had a lot of fun making this. And then episode 2 is going to be about my anxiety and depression story. So that one's going to be a little bit deeper. I'm going to find a balance between not so deep topics every single month, but I'm definitely going to be real raw and real, and that's the only way to really convey the message that I'm trying to say. Like, I don't want to be too professional with this. I want to talk to you guys as if you're my friends, because we're family here. So that is that. Again, Self-Care Saturday, the last Saturday of every single month. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload it. All right, so let's get into this vision board. This vision board is different from any other vision board I've ever created. I was looking at, I believe her name is Oh My Annie. I'll have her link below. And I've been seeing a lot of people take the untraditional approach of what is deemed to be the vision board formula. Usually when I've created vision boards, which I call my failed vision boards, is I've taken magazines and I've just put on a page what has inspired me. But the problem with that is that I would not refer to the vision boards. They became decor in my office. And when I saw the Oh My Annie video, it was like a light bulb went off, like, duh, why did you never think of making your vision board targeted to what the hell it is that you're trying to accomplish? So I made a list of what I wanted to accomplish this year. And as I'm making this video, I have a couple things that I can already check off my list, which is great. But I decided before I showed you guys how I assembled this, that I would give you guys a gist of what it is that I wanted to accomplish this year. So 1 is to really grow my YouTube channel. I would love to get to 500,000 views and 5,000 subscribers. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks. And on Instagram, I would love to get over 2,000 followers. And then I would like to have another source of income, save money, start a podcast with my brother. I have some other stuff in the works with that. Read more than 5 books this year. And I want to go to WrestleMania. And then I want to create branded merch. So my Crush the Chaos shirt is going to be coming soon. And when it drops, it's going to be in all of my Self-Care Saturday videos, okay? It's going to be in all of them. So when the shirts do drop, I'll probably announce it first on my Instagram at Chaotic Critic, so be sure to follow me over there. But I would love for you guys to support the Chaotic Critic community and to get your Crush the Chaos shirt. So those are going to be coming really, really soon. And that is my vision board, my goals in a nutshell. And as far as what I have accomplished so far, my brother and I started a wrestling podcast. It's called the Half Right Podcast, and the first episode is going to be dropping on Sunday, the 27th. Yeah. So the Half Right Podcast. And we're not just going to be talking about wrestling, we're going to be talking about sports in general, but it is heavily wrestling infused. And then WrestleMania, finally got the tickets. I've talked about saving for this in my budget series, so check that out as well. And that is it for my vision board. I'm so happy with how it turned out. But without further ado, let's jump into how I created this. Okay? Stay tuned. Alright, so I've printed out all of my images. So here are the two examples of what I'm going to use for the merch. This one will be my boyfriend's and this one is mine. And then here's my YouTube stuff and Instagram, podcast, moolah, stack of books, savings, and WrestleMania. So all that's together. And I'm just going to use this 8.5 by 11 sheet to put everything on here. I have a glue stick, but I don't know if the glue is gonna work, so I'm just gonna forego that. And oh, you know what I need? I need something that says 2019 goals. So babe, do you think I should put like 2019, like I should print something out like I did with this? Mm-hmm. Okay. Special guest, my boyfriend in the back.
What's up, guys?
He's just here for moral support.
Like always.
Okay, so I'm going to start out with the YouTube stuff. And I'm going to group it together as best as I can. I don't mind if things hang off the board. That's the whole point. Okay, so, I put that on the wrong side. So, how do you think this looks? Do you think I should just put it all down? Do you think it should look cute?
No, it look nice. It look like on point, like everybody know.
But what about this? Like, should I put it here? Should I put it here?
You already got it.
Like here?
Yeah. There you go.
In the middle, like should some of the black be showing? Like here?
Yep.
Okay.
And you have like an oversized line saying chaotic critic right there.
Oh, what? Like at the bottom? I didn't print out anything that says that.
Yet.
You see? This is why I don't get anything done, because he always has something to say. Ain't that right, babe?
Somewhat.
So what about this right here? The money?
On top. That's the main goal.
What, like here? Or like here?
Do I have space over there?
No.
Okay. So
I'm going to put 2019 here.
Oh,
so I could put it here.
Yes.
And have it hang off. And then WrestleMania is going to go right here.
Yep.
That's actually something that's coming. Can't wait for April. We have been saving, because we're not just going to drop all that money on tickets. We'll be good. We'll be resourceful. I wouldn't say resourceful. We'll be smart. All right. And then the podcast with my brother. When the podcast launched, I don't know why I said it like that. When the podcast launches, I will share it with you guys. We're still working on a name. But the first content that we're going to be dropping is definitely going to be about WrestleMania. There's such a huge wrestling community, even here on YouTube. One of my favorites is that my boyfriend put me onto is Chris Dinker. Is it Dinker, babe?
Dinker, yeah.
Well, Dink Ops, but I think if you search it, his regular page is Chris Dinker. Where should I put the book?
Right here.
Here?
Yeah.
Like in the middle?
Do it. You don't have space right there next to the YouTube and podcast.
It's gonna overlap. Should it overlap like that?
Yeah, sure.
That's fine.
Yeah.
And then savings, I I think I'm going to have it overhang like that. What do you think? Or should it go over?
Put it right under the money.
Right here?
How are you?
Okay, so yeah, it's a very large wrestling community on YouTube. So yeah, Chris, who else do you watch?
It depends. Because people.
That does like 2K.
Besides
WWE 2K.
Besides Chris Dinker, there's this guy called CM Post. He's a good WWE 2K content. I think another dude named Brandon.
We don't have any space for that unless we put them down here.
So, but those are the main two that I say like build the WWE 2K community, because at one point we never had a community. And those are two frontliners.
I would say Danker for sure is a frontliner.
From what I've seen in 2K16.
But the thing about him is that it's not even like the content. Like him as a person.
Yes.
He is hilarious. So I'm moving around the WWE one because I just realized we have these two big old shirts here. Mm-hmm. And I don't want them to be... I guess one could go here. So I'm gonna put this one. I don't have to put anything that says, well, I should put, now that I think about it, I should put something chaotic. But yeah, so that's what my brother and I are gonna be starting. I'm really excited about that. There's just so many things, like coming from an extensive educational background, and I mean because I have my bachelor's and my master's, I want to put all that stuff to use, So I studied broadcast journalism, so I know all about the whole radio production, and that's what a podcast is. A podcast is the new wave of radio.
Yep. Dark Canadians had a podcast.
Yeah, the technology was not like that back then. But
even nested.
Anyway, so that is that. That is... I'm really excited about the podcast. And when we come up with a name for it, I'm probably gonna, oh no. This can't stay here. We gotta have savings showing. We can't have it not showing. There we go. That's better. Alright, so I literally have this that I need to put somewhere. What do you think?
What's up?
Where should this go? Your shirt's freaking here.
I don't know.
But mine isn't.
That sucks.
I think that mine would look better right there.
Yeah, you can do that.
But I need to put yours somewhere. I don't know where I want to put it though. Oops. I guess it can go.
Yeah, right there.
Here, and then I'll put mine. And although we each have our own separate entities, we are marketing this together under one unified brand. So that's the goal. So just a lot of collaborations and things like that this year that I'm really...
Collab is the best investing.
I'm really, really excited about.
That's how
I'm so excited to be. And I'm working with people that I truly care about. So, bam! Look at that. Look at this. What? This is so cute. So I have to find something to go here, and I'm going to print out something for 2019 that goes here, and then that'll be that. So that was super duper easy to make. I just printed out the pictures and assembled them together, put it on some scrapbook paper, and voila, there's my vision board. I do keep this next to my desk. I see it every single day that I come into my office. I also have one in my planner. I have two in my planner actually. One is when I first open it, I created a grid of the key points that I wanted to see every time I opened it, and I just used that. I created that grid using an app on my iPhone. And then the other one is literally so that I can mark off when I accomplish it, and then other steps before the bigger goals. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know and I'll show you in another video. But that wraps it up for episode 1 of my Self-Care Saturday series. I hope that you guys, if you haven't already, create a vision board for the year. And the great thing about this is that it doesn't just have to be for 2019 as a whole. You can make a vision board like this for the month. You can make it quarterly. You can do whatever you want with it, but these are just the top ones on my list. As I check things off, I will be adding things to it because the goals never stop. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what else you would like to see in this series in the comments below. Again, this series will be the last Saturday of every single month. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay notified of when I do upload videos on my channel. And again, be sure to check out all the links in the description box. My blog is chaoticcritics.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.